'Tis true. My mother was born Sayuri Wamiya. Her name looks like this. Beautiful, isn't it?
Yeah, that's a really beautiful name.
Sayori Wamiya. Then Sato must be his dad's last name.
Sakarino, how long are you planning to stand in that spot?
I am not moving. There is no way I can let him see this. I don't know exactly what happened, but what I do know is what happened, but his mother is already gone.
Watch your step, okay? Sakarino?
Yeah.
Will I be able to see my mother again one day?